and welcome to Super Fun English. This is Ishara. I'm your Phonic and Grammar Trainer and you're watching Super Fun English, which is a Phonic and Grammar Training hub for kids. So if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share with your community. Today I will introduce you a very common topic, which is pronoun. We all know what pronoun is and you will get plenty of videos about pronoun on the internet. So what is special about this video? In this video, I'm not only going to give you the concept of pronoun, but also showing you the worksheet that you need to practice with your kids to teach them the pronouns, as well as the activities that you can do to teach pronouns in a play-based learning. So this video is going to be a very special video. Don't skip this video, watch till the end. I'm very sure this will be helpful for you. First, let's understand what is pronoun. Suppose, assume a girl named Tina. Now, Tina is what? A girl. So, if I'm talking about Tina, Tina is a very good girl. Tina goes to school every day. Tina's favorite color is red. Now, every time I'm saying Tina. So, Tina is what? Tina is name of a person. Instead of saying the name again and again, we use the pronouns. For the female, we use she. For the male, we use he. Like instead of Tina, if I say it's a ram, then it will be he. So for the female, it is she, and for the male, it is he. And let me show you the different types of pronouns that are commonly used. So these are our commonly used pronouns like I, me, he, she, him, her, you, we, us, it, that, them, they, our. So some pronouns are used in the singular, some are plural. He we use when we are talking about a male and she for the female. Now let's look at the sentences. Give me a pen. Can you tell me where we can see the pronoun in this sentence? Yes, right, me. Me is here the pronoun. We are going to school. Now here we is the pronoun. Now look at the screen. This pronoun has many types of pronoun like personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Now we will learn one by one. First we will learn the personal pronoun. So when we are talking about the persons, then we use the personal pronoun like I am a girl, you are a good boy, he is going to school. So in these sentences we are using the pronouns. We are talking about the persons. So these are what? These are personal pronouns. Now I am going to the market. Here the personal pronoun is I. They are my friends. So here they is the personal pronoun. Next we will learn the possessive pronouns. Possessions means the ownership. The ownership of something. These books are mine. So here mine is what? Mine is the possessive pronoun. His name is Sunny. So this Sunny name belongs to him. So here his is the possessive pronoun. Now let's look at the next type of pronoun, which is reflexive pronoun. Means it's refer back to the subject of the clause of the sentence. Now I have written this letter by myself. So here which is the subject? The I. So here myself is referring you the back to the subject. So myself is also indicating I. So here this is myself is what? The reflexive pronoun. Next we will learn the reciprocal pronoun. So for the reciprocal pronoun is used to express a mutual action or the relationship. For the sentence we can say they thanked each other. So they are thanking each other means they are expressing something between them, right? So here each other is the reciprocal pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. So when you demonstrate something, when you are showing something, when you are pointing something, then we use such pronouns like these, those, these. If I say this is a pen, so here this, I'm indicating this pen, I'm pointing to this pen. So this is a pen in the sentence. This is called the demonstrative pronouns. Next we will learn the indefinite pronoun. indefinite pronoun where we are not saying definite to something, a person or thing, without being specific. Like, all of you should come tomorrow. So here I'm not definitely saying something to someone. So I'm saying all should come tomorrow. So this is indefinite pronoun. And the relative pronoun means the relation of something, the link or one phrase clause that is another phrase or clause. I saw that girl who came yesterday. So I'm talking about a girl. So girl here is a noun, and who is what, who is pronoun. So here the relationship between the noun and pronoun, I'm meaning to that girl who came yesterday. So here who is what, who is the relative pronoun. Next we will learn the interrogative pronouns. Means we ask questions, we are interrogating something. Who are you? Which one is your book? So we are interrogating or asking something, that is called interrogative pronoun. So total together we have these types of pronouns all together, and what are the use of pronouns, this type of pronouns, and the examples I have written here. So one by one we have discussed all the types of pronouns. Now we will focus on the activities, because activities are very much important to practice. Once we are done with the activity, then we will focus on the worksheet. Once you have given the concept of pronoun to the kids, then you can make them the practice pronoun by giving this Pronoun Pizza game. This is not Domino's Pizza, this is Pronoun Pizza. I have made this just a simple paper cutout with little bit of color. So all the commonly used pronouns are written here along with this worksheet. So once they have learned what is pronoun, how to use the pronouns in a sentence, then you can give them such worksheet. What they have to do, just read the sentence. Ria is my friend. Now what is Ria? Ria is a female. So which pronoun we will take? So they will take this pronoun out, pronoun she, and they will paste it here. Say my father is a doctor. Now what is my father? My father is male. So for the male, which pronoun do we use? We use he. So they will take this pronoun out and stick it here. Like this way, they will are having fun while they are learning something new. So try this activity and do let me know how it goes. Now it's time to give you the idea of pronoun worksheet. So this is an amazing worksheet for pronouns, which is a basic level worksheet. So here you are getting the picture along with the clue. So see, the first picture is a girl, dash is my friend. So which pronoun do we use for the females? Yes, correct, she. So what we will write here? She is my friend. So by looking at the picture, you are getting the clue what we have to write. Can you write me the question number 2 answer in the comment box? Hope you have learned the pronouns and you have got the idea of how to prepare the pronoun worksheet for your students and how to arrange a low prep activity for your students. If you like this video, do let me know by giving a thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Simple Fun English and share this video with your community. Thank you everyone.